AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a unit with a dancer unwind and slip clutch rewind mounted to a common aluminum frame to precisely unwind and rewind rolls of aluminum material. Rolls of material are loaded onto the cantilevered unwind station. The unwind and rewind stations are powered by an AC variable speed motor and drive. From the unwind, the material travels under a urethane encoder roller. The encoder is used to calculate the length of the material that is traveling from the unwind to the rewind. The aluminum material is then rewound on the tension-controlling slip clutch rewind. Both the unwind and rewind stations are capable of handling rolls of material with a core of 20 inches in diameter. A laser distance sensor measures the roll diameter, tension, and length of material that is going from the unwind to the rewind. Speed, length, and tension can all be input on the unit's color touchscreen. The laser distance sensor will display data on the unit's touchscreen in real time. All components are mounted on a common aluminum frame with base plate and adjustable feet. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.